Hello and welcome. Only 4 months ago, in December of 2022, was it the first time I ever presented myself upon any type of media. Never did it before then. But I felt a burden toward the people who do not look at creation properly. The people that I'm trying to reach are the ones who do not want to know about Jesus Christ and do not want to know about the Bible. And that's why I came up with an acronym, Basic Instructions Before Leaving Earth, because I wanted to be a little bit indirect on what I was referring to. Now, my mother was a believer, my father wasn't. And in 2 Corinthians 4:4, you can even see how a person's mind can be blinded by the devil to not want to think about this kind of thing. But God is not willing that any should perish, and he wants as many people to get on board this train before whatever happens as possible. And it's interesting to note that just the other night I was speaking about chasing after God and after Jesus, and secondly, about seeking him. And wouldn't you know it, a presentation from 3 years ago that I'd never seen before came on today, from 2020. And this particular servant was talking about the very same thing way back then, and saying it is time to seek him and chase after him. The very same thing I just said the other day. Don't you see it? Our God is an awesome God. Can the Holy Ghost of God impart to me what he already told another servant some 3 years ago? I believe he can. Don't you see? It's just like a confirmation, isn't it? That I'm now saying the same thing, and I didn't even know I was, that someone else said. There must be a rapture train for every single one of us to get on board all right. It is approaching, and we had better board it rapidly and be in the best standing with him we possibly can be when it arrives. Seek him day and night, people. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the one true Son of God, the only way to heaven. See you the next time, and until then, may God bless.